Hello YouTube, this is Mike again, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays, guys. This is a couple of days before Christmas. Happy holidays, have fun out there. Well, Black Friday came along and I picked this up at a good deal, the Goosky S1 ready to fly. I picked that up at a good deal on Black Friday. Decided to do an unboxing video for it. Now, I know I normally fly a lot of big helicopters, but I used to have a MCPX, the small little helicopter about the same size as this. And I had a lot of fun with it. It kept me going when I couldn't get to the field. I could just fly anywhere, my front yard, in my backyard, and have fun with it. So I always wanted to get one of these, but I never bought one, but I decided why not? It was a real good deal. So I jumped on it. But I'm gonna get set up here so you guys could get the unboxing so you guys could get a better look at it. I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so I'm gonna open this box up here. I got me a camera person to help out here this time. So let's see what we got here. Now I'm going to open it up. Now, one thing that I'm a little sad about, I've watched a lot of videos of the Goosky, and everybody always talk about it coming that nice foam packaging. Well, they've gotten rid of the foam packaging for this one. No more foam packaging. It's all plastic. Yeah. So let me see. Here's the helicopter. Pretty nice helicopter. Has a brushless motor, brushless tail motor. Nice bright white and orange canopy. Let me get the canopy off for you guys. So it came with two batteries, two 300 milliamp 60C batteries, which is pretty good. I thought it only came with one, but it came with two. That's great. Nice servos on it. Let's see what else we have here. Now, I bought the one that comes with the remote. I have a old Spectrum remote that I'm going to bind it to later. But I said, why not buy something ready to go? And buying the set with the transmitter was only a few more dollars, so I decided to get it. Let's see what else it comes with. Okay, this is to connect to your phone, so you can make adjustments. Not bad. And let's see, what is this? Okay, it's the battery charger. I probably won't use this much. It hooks up to a USB. I probably will hook this up to one of my other chargers that I have. Yeah. Here's a little booklet, little manual. This is the extra battery that it came with. Little bag here. Let's see. Stapled together. Let's see. Okay. It has a zip tie, a few screws in it. I don't know what this plug is for. I have to figure that out. But I guess it's something extra you can use because if you want to hook another port up to it or something, I guess. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm a little disappointed in that everybody always talked about the good box that it came in, the foam package that it came in, but we get plastic now, guys. So, but I guess stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna get out and fly it a little bit for you guys. So, hey guys, as always, don't forget, like, subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time.